Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin, looking for those last minute toys, stocking stuffers. Gonna have a Christmas celebration, you know, and you don't know what to get. You're gonna find it in these boxes. Believe it or not, I spent just over $1,000 in these 4 boxes. So let's find out, what did I get? All right, let's go straight to this one here. Find out what's in the boxes. So this is a company I love to order from, first off, because they're like right in our neighborhood, kind of neighboring state, like Wisconsin. And then they always have lots of smalls for us. Oh, look at those. Basically, they call them bar mop towels, but they're basically white washcloths. We got a bunch of those. Oh, this is perfect. I use these at marching band competitions. At any sporting event, you have to sit outside and freeze. So great for hunting, great for football games, great for marching band competitions. We're going to go to a Christmas parade. There you go. Toe warmers. Any kind of Christmas celebration type of thing you're going to do, or winter things, you're going to want these. Hand warmers, same thing. So they're basically like a little pack. You just like snap them and move them around and then they warm up. Alright, I did pull a box out. We're going to open this one here. Just to kind of get it out of the way so we can see the towels. Oh, these are so handy. So they basically take a 2-prong outlet and turn it into a 3-prong outlet. Which is handy when you're doing like
Christmas lights.
Christmas lights, yeah. So they're just handy converters to have. Christmas lights.
That'll probably be in the tool category.
Yeah, we'll put it in the tool. That's a good idea.
We've been doing lately.
We will be listing all of these things on hookedonpickin.com because we are able to find the listings for these and photos and stuff and descriptions. So we put all of these kinds of things on hookedonpickin.com. I could never have too many of these kind of spoons. So they're bamboo spoons with the silicone ends in various different colors. So you get to pick your own color. Get one for each relative.
Yeah.
One for each drawer in your house.
Or buy the whole box.
Or buy the whole box. Each drawer in your house. Put one in your dresser drawer. Put one in your bathroom drawer. No,
we did that with scissors that one time for you, remember? Yeah.
I still can't find scissors in our house. I don't know.
Well, you got that scissor holder that somebody gave you from
yeah, someone made
a fan sent it.
A scissor holder kind of made out of a like an oven mitt type of
thing.
And it hangs on my fridge, and literally now I can usually find my kitchen scissors because that's where they get put.
That was a handy dandy thing.
It is very handy.
Big box.
It's taped to the box. Okay, hold on. We're going to tip this sideways. Because we're going to work smarter, not harder. There we go. I think this is some sort of a display because of the way they have it taped here. So I think I can cut all these and do the big reveal. Extra large cleaning cloth.
Nice 12-pack.
It's 8 or 11 inches by 17 inches. That's handy. That's cool. Look at that. In a nice display.
It is nice.
Alright, got a box here. Oh, we got these before and they sold really well. These are food choppers.
Yeah, it was surprising how fast those sold.
They're pretty sharp here.
They are.
So just be careful. Yeah. So those will be on hookedonpickin.com. Go to the kitchen category. We'll have them right there. Paintbrushes. Since you're going to have your kids home, put them to work.
There you go. I like how you're thinking.
Yep.
Those are nice paintbrushes.
They are really nice.
They look nice.
1.5 inch and 2 inch soft blended polyester, smooth even coverage, ideal for all surfaces.
Yeah, I like the handles on them too.
Those are cool. This more? Two-piece brush set. Yep. So we got 2 boxes of those, so 12 total. Another big box in here. Hold on. Well, something tried to eat it.
Something did try to eat it.
Oh, it's more of those towels.
Oh, good.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think they're the same thing, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Well, yeah, same size.
Yep, 12 pack. Lint, scratch, and streak free.
Nice. No streaking.
No streaking, everybody.
No streaking. All right. Box number 3.
Box number 3.
Any guesses what's in box number 3, Paul? Is it home decor or is it kitchen stuff?
I don't know. I've been ordering so much. I told people in the last video, I think, we do have 4 pallets of candy coming. Kind of excited about that myself. Been a while since we've done a pallet of candy. Sometimes they're hard to find. It's all going to be basically Halloween candy. It's not expired, so that's good too.
These are bracelets with like wreaths and stuff in
Yep.
Christmassy colors.
Christmassy little bracelets.
And we've got
we got a gnome.
I think we already had these online at one time and we sold a bunch of them.
Yeah, well, I think we had sold out.
Yeah.
Cute little guys, aren't they? We also have 5 more pallets now. 5 more pallets of the Amazon overstock, and then 1 pallet of Bloom Chic coming. Or Bloom Chic, however you say it.
These are lighters, but they're decks of cards.
Decks of cards, lighters. That's kind of a clever deal.
That is clever.
Let's see how it lights.
So it looks like that on one side, like that on the other.
Hmm.
Here, I think you do this.
Oh,
And look,
it slides. Ooh, that's neat. I like how that goes. Nice.
Cool.
Lighter's been selling really well for us.
Yeah, they have.
Goes pretty good.
Okay, so is this the same kind?
Might be.
Yeah, same kind. The
Same
decks
kind?
of card ones.
Great.
What is this?
I thought we'd try some of these. 18 in 1 tool.
That's cool.
I think it's something that you can slide in your wallet. See how thin it is? It's almost like credit card link there.
And then you always have the handy tool
Yeah.
you need.
Little measurements, bottle opener, can opener, screwdriver, various different kind of screwdrivers, letter opener. Kind of a handy thing to have. There they are.
We got snowflake bracelets and Santa Claus bracelets and stocking bracelets. So some more Christmassy bracelets.
There we go. Frogs. Can't keep these guys in stock.
Everybody loves frogs. They're so cute. And
The
these are
squishy
neat because they're
frogs.
textured. They're squishies.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a bunch of those. 2 boxes. All right, let's find out what's in this one. Okay, this box. This one. There. Oh, I got some. Oh, these always sell. They're unicorn. They're the wet hair brush.
Mm-hmm.
They have a unicorn with a rainbow hair, and you can just take this off and wash it, which comes in handy. So, really cute wet hair brush. So I got 2 boxes of those, which means we have 8 total right now. Let's see. This is the 18 in 1 tool.
Nice.
We were literally just talking about this yesterday and how fast these sell. Little tea lights.
Mm-hmm. We have them very affordable.
Yeah,
They're a nice little light.
they are.
Perfect for dorm rooms when you can't light candles,
Right.
or you don't want to deal with going around blowing candles out, you know?
I have a couple that are on my dining room table.
Mm-hmm.
Mini silicone spatulas.
Nice.
Tiny pancakes. I do all my own sound effects.
You do a great job.
I probably annoy somebody. In the comment section below, you should just write if I annoy you with my sound effects.
I don't think we should do that.
You don't think so?
Don't write if we annoy you.
All right.
Because then we'll cry.
Tell me what your favorite sound effect is.
Only tell us good news. Leave all bad news
to yourself.
What is that? What's the old saying? Can't say anything good.
Don't say anything
Don't say anything at all.
Oh, I need one of these so bad. I should probably take one.
Good old
These are
meat
the
chopper.
full-size ones. We had the mini ones last time.
Oh, did we have the mini ones last time?
Yeah. I need one of these, really bad. I'm going to take one of these home. There's going to be one less of these. Just
One
saying.
less of those.
I'll probably
There's
take the
even a blue
ones.
one. Yep.
Look, it matches my shirt almost.
Almost. Thanks everybody for praying for our family. So we've had the different cough and stuff. We're all on meds and everything. No COVID. That's a praise.
Oh, yeah, we keep
No
testing
COVID.
negative for COVID. But
Yeah. But
we've got everything else.
no COVID, no ammonia, nothing like that. But it's just this
we also
nasty cough that's going around.
We also don't have pneumonia.
We don't have pneumonia.
Yeah, no.
What did I say?
Ammonia.
We don't have ammonia.
We don't have cleaning
Ammonia would be a
supplies.
cleaning supply, which we do not sell, nor have in our body, I think. Actually, I'm not sure. Is ammonia found in our body?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not that smart.
I have no science degree. But it is kind of you guys to be praying for us.
Yes,
It's
thank
really
you
nice.
so much. Oh, we just sold out of these in the store and online. The wool socks.
Those are
And
nice.
We have had rave reviews from our customers that come into the retail space. They said they bought them for a gift. Well, they were going to keep one pair, and they decided to keep both pair that they had bought because they wanted it so much. And then he came back in and bought another pair because he liked it.
They are
so much.
nice.
Yeah.
Perfect time of the year for that, too.
Yeah, so we'll try to get some. Okay, I'm going to open this first and then stack it. Ooh. Microfiber cleaning pads. So they're like a thick pad. Green
Yeah, they
and
had
gray.
they had all kinds of cleaning pads on sale. I don't know why.
These are nice.
I just was like, all right.
These work good too if you need some sort of a trivet or a hot pad too. They work well for that as well.
Yeah. And that's Armor Hammer. I mean, it's not bad, right?
Yeah, Arm & Hammer.
Yeah, that's like a good brand, I thought.
It is a good one. All right, last box. You ready? I'm so glad I found those little meat chopper things. Those things are amazing. I cook, like when I'm in a hurry, I'll do them, use those in my frying pan when I cook ground beef, or when you use micro cooker to cook your beef and stuff like that. Chops up the meat really good. Look, there's a little hole so I can pull it out.
That was handy.
Yeah, I don't think it's meant to be that way, but there you go.
It works.
Yep. This is an empty box for filler. This is an empty box for filler. Alright. They do a good job packing so stuff doesn't stick around. What are the yellow boxes?
No idea.
Okay.
I ordered this stuff, but it takes a while.
Yeah.
And I forget. We got goo gone.
You know what? We actually ordered a bottle of this because our tape guns will get the sticky adhesive on it. And it makes them just basically like new because they kept getting really kind of stuck.
This is handy stuff to have.
It is handy. We should put that right up front.
Yep. Good old goo gone.
We got 2 boxes of that. Let's go ahead and open one of these. Oh,
Paintbrushes.
Is that the same thing as this one? Yeah. Awesome.
A lot of paintbrushes.
Well, they only come 6 in a box, so I'm actually really glad to see more boxes.
Yeah, they probably were sold like in a 12 packs, but I probably had to buy.
whisks. Ooh, that's a nice handle. So like a bamboo handle? Yeah, bamboo handle whisk with the silicone. So we got pink, yellow, orange, and green.
Love it.
All right, what else we got in here? Big box. Hold on, we gotta work smarter, not harder. The big box. Get these last two out of here.
Excuse me.
And carefully dispose of this large empty box.
Well done.
No
well done.
problem. Oh, these sold so fast.
So fast.
Little memory games. It's basically Simon. Like where you have to do the... It's got the little tag in the back. So
Little memory.
Yeah. Lights and sound memory game. Great stocking stuffer. Do we have 2 boxes of it? Yep. Nice. All right. Last thing. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You excited? You
Pumped. Ooh.
Puzzles. Oh, these sold really fast
They
in the
did.
store and online.
The special delivery. It's all stamps. Now I know they're Christmas stamps, but
They're fun.
they're really nice.
I would totally do this puzzle.
Of course, some of them are not Christmas. That's Hanukkah stamp. All holiday, winter solstice, all holiday stamps, I should say. But the majority, I would say, is Christmas.
There's a Netherlands one.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Looks like they're even like different Christmas words and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Finland. Cool. Alrighty. So
Nice.
I know almost all these things were online prior to us doing this unboxing, and we were sold out of them, and so we're actually going to replenish all of them. And so run over to hookedonpickin.com. You'll be able to find, I think, everything. I don't think there's anything we're not going to put online. And so run over to hookedonpickin.com, check the tool section, check the toy section, check the kitchen section, check the clothing section for the wool socks. I think I might have covered all the sections. Just check all the categories. Have fun shopping. All right, thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.